Tired of spam bots and unverified users flooding your Discord server? Today, we're going to build a robust verification system that keeps your community clean and manageable, ensuring only genuine members gain access. First, head to your server settings and locate the roles section. We'll start by creating a new role for your unverified members. Let's call it something like unverified or waiting. Assign this unverified role to all new members by default. Crucially, this role should have very limited permissions essentially readily access to most channels, preventing them from interacting until verified. Now, let's ensure your server is set up for community features, as this is essential for our verification process. Go to Community in your server settings and enable it if it's not already. Within the community settings, you'll find options to set up a verification requirement. This usually involves a prompt for new members to read and accept your server rules before they can proceed. Configure this to your liking. The real power behind our verification comes from bots. For this, you'll need to add a dedicated verification bot. There are many popular options available, so search for one that suits your needs and click to invite it to your server. Once the bot is added, access its configuration panel here. You'll tell the bot which role to assign to verified members. Typically your default member role. You can also set up specific verification methods, like accepting rules, clicking a button, or even answering a CAPTCHA. Now, when a new member joins, they'll be placed in a waiting area or a specific unverified channel. They'll be prompted by the bot to complete the verification steps you've configured. Once they've successfully verified, the bot will automatically remove the unverified role and assign your desired member role, granting them full access to your vibrant community. This keeps your server secure and your members engaged.